So in this video, I want to show you how to use the rounding functions to round numbers up or down in Google Sheets. So I have my sample data here, and what I'm going to use is the rounding function to round these prices up or down. Hit enter, and I'm going to round to an integer or a whole number. Hit round, select this value, and I'm going to hit 0 here, and it rounds it to the nearest whole number. Next, I'm going to use the rounding function to round to 1 decimal place. And it rounds everything to 1 decimal place. 12.99 becomes 13, 12.50, 12.50, 10.10 stays the same. Next, we can round to a multiple of 10. In order to do that, I'm going to enter the round function again, select the value here, and now I'm going to select -1 to round by tens. And when I do that, it rounds it to a multiple of 10. 12.99 becomes 10 because it's closer to 10 than 20. 59.99, 60, 62.55, 60, 65.40 becomes 70. Next, we're going to use the RoundUp function to round to the nearest integer. Use the RoundUp function. I'm going to select my value here and hit 0. And everything rounds up to an integer. 6.44 rounds up to $7. We can also round up to 1 decimal place. Equals round up. And we can also use the RoundDown function to round down to an integer. And now everything rounds down. So 12.99 becomes 12. 12.50 becomes $12. 59.99 becomes 59. Also, we can round down to a decimal place using the same function, round down. And there we go. 12.99 rounds down 1 decimal place to $12.90. 24.65 to 24.60. That's how you use the rounding functions to round an integer up, round up to an integer or whole number. You can round down, round by a multiple of 10. Just remember, you have to use the -1 if you're going to use the round function to round to a multiple of 10. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and hit that like button. If you're new to this channel, subscribe for more tips like this.